Today we'll learn how to remove a Bluetooth device from Samsung TV. So first we have to take the remote and then press here to open the settings. And after that we go to the input device manager, and from there we find the input device manager. Click here and see the Bluetooth devices that we have already connected. We see that there is a wireless controller connected. We'll just click and then click disconnect and then select disconnect again. Okay, we will also have to unpair it. Unpair, gone. So we don't have any Bluetooth devices connected to the Samsung TV anymore. So this is how you remove Bluetooth devices on your Samsung TV. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.